In this video, I will be showing you how to see your YouTube comment history. Let's get started. Starting on the YouTube homepage, I go to the left sidebar menu and click on History. This opens up my Watch History page, where I can see all the videos I've previously watched. On the right-hand side of the page, under the Manage All History section, I find several options like Comments, Posts, and Live Chat. I click directly on Comments. This takes me to Google My Activity, specifically opening your YouTube Comments page. Here, you can view, edit, or delete your past comments and replies across YouTube. If you have posted comments using your account, they will be listed right here on this page. If you ever want to check other activity settings or go back, you can also navigate through the left sidebar, like checking other activity or returning directly to your YouTube comments page anytime. And that's how simple it is to view and manage your YouTube comment history. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.